Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Kryptonic and today we're checking out Movo's iVlog kit, which is basically a kit that lets you become the content creator you always wish you were with your phone. So if you guys are excited, make sure to drop a like down below. But anyways guys, let's get straight into the video. Now, what comes included with this Movo kit? This Movo kit is kind of designed to just get you guys started. A lot of you guys are actually on your phone, and it's really weird because I started on my phone too, and it slowly became better and better. Like, I started on my iPhone like 7, and it slowly got better and better over time because, you know, technology got better. Now, having an iPhone 11 is like having a DSLR in your pocket because it shoots at 4K 60 FPS, and I know it's crazy, but starting off with your phone right now is probably the greatest thing you could do. Now, what comes included with this kit? Well, basically it comes with everything you would actually need. First off, it comes with something really professional, which is a wireless lavalier microphone, and the best part is the receiver just plugs into your phone. So if you guys have an iPhone and you guys are always trying to get the best audio, having this little lavalier microphone can actually change a lot of your video style up. And it does come with a hand grip and a tripod. The tripod being the more useful part of it. The hand grip is cool, but I just can't really see myself trusting myself to be that stable with a shot. But the tripod is really cool because the tripod has a really cool ball head that basically makes it really easy to customize the orientation of the phone. And the last part of this entire kit is just the little LED panel that comes with it. It is really small, but it is actually very bright, more bright than you guys probably think, just because it's very tiny. Once again, it's got 30 light bulbs in there and it works really great. Like I said, it's probably one of the things that actually shocked me a little bit the most because I didn't think a little panel this big would actually be bright. And now this kit does come in for $200, which does seem a little bit steep even to me, because while they do have some very good accessories, not everything in here I would say has the biggest top value. I would say the more important things are the tripod, the wireless lavalier microphone, because that's a huge audio gain, and of course the LED panel. This little LED panel is something that if you guys are just shooting videos, taking pictures, having something, you know, to add light can definitely help. And now adding in the wireless lavalier microphone to get that clear audio is always something very important. And now for the wireless lavalier microphone, I will be inserting a clip of me using it around my house just so you guys get an idea of what that sounds like. Alright guys, for this test I'm just going to be walking outside of my house to see what the range on this microphone is. Stepping outside, I do see a car coming this way, and we'll just see how well it does in getting rid of that car noise. This street is a little bit busy, so there's already another car coming by, and then you guys ask why I can't get videos out. Now that I'm walking back, we're gonna see how well it does. There's so many noises going on. I feel like this is a perfect opportunity to test it. Right now we are inside of my living room, and it is a little bit echoey in here because of the walls. There's just walls everywhere. It's not sound treated. So this is basically the best result you would get, and you guys be the judge of what it sounds like. And now this is what the Movo microphone sounds like when I'm at my setup, which is a little bit more sound treated than my living room or even outside. But for the most part, you guys can kind of hear yourself how it sounds. I think overall it sounds pretty good. And I like the fact that it can run for a long time. I mean, you just have to replace the batteries. So overall, it makes it very easy and portable of a setup for good audio at least. And now that you guys have heard the lavalier microphone, I'm pretty impressed by it. I know that I went into it a little bit, skeptical, but the parts that I really wanted to work really did work. The lavalier microphone worked really great, and while it did sound a little bit, muffled, it can be fixed with post-processing, and that's actually a good thing, because if you guys heard, the microphone did a really good job of canceling background noise. It did a really good job of picking up my voice. But overall, this kit is not that bad, and I would say that besides the hefty price point, it probably is something that a lot of people will end up using. They do have different models for, different phones. They have it for Android, so you guys can use it over USB-C, or iPhone, so you guys can use it over your iPhone. They also have a regular version for a camera in case you guys just want to use a wireless lavalier microphone, which to me is probably the best part of this deal besides the light panel. The wireless lavalier microphone is slowly becoming my favorite thing, just because it's awesome to be able to know that you can always get good audio, mainly when you're recording on your phone, on the go, anywhere you're at. No more will you need a shotgun microphone, no more will you need this microphone. All you really need is the lavalier microphone. Overall though, this kit is definitely interesting, and I leave it up to you guys to decide whether it's something that you need or something that you guys can just skip on. Like I said, my favorite things about this entire kit are tripod, light, and lavalier microphone. Everything else is cool, but it seems a little bit gimmicky, and it just seems like something I might not end up using down the line. At the end of the day, it's up to you guys to figure out whether you want it or not. This is just my opinion, and honestly, this product was pretty interesting. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. My name is Kryptonic. I try to stream Monday, Wednesday, Friday. That's when I also upload, so hopefully you guys stick around. Anyways guys, I will catch you guys later. Peace guys.